Okay, yeah, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be dealing with how to create, like how to add our own costume, which is a separate API. Imagine you having a VTU website and then you okay, let me put it this way. Let's say you are a top up mate, like the script, your VTU site website script is owned, like was powered by top up mate. Then they already have some configured API, configured API, whereby, and then you come across the one you like, then you come across the sites you like, then it's not listed on their own platform, like it's not among the API listed, then you want to use or make use of it yourself. Alright, that's not an issue. Just let's go straight to the point now. Mind you, if you are new to this channel, please do it to what? Hit the subscription button to subscribe. Alright, then this we head straight to our browser. Then we already log into, just once you log into your browser, open your browser and then you log into your cPanel. Once you log into your cPanel, then you go straight to, then they look for databases. Then you click on php my admin. You clicking on php my admin, you allow it to load. Then you are here. That's the interface of the php my admin. Then you click on your database. You click on the database. You're loading. While doing this, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Then you click on there. As you can see, everything already load. You have the airtime, you have the cable and the likes. Then you click on API link. From the list that shows in the left side of your screen, you click on API link. So these are the already made API available on the platform. So for us to add the one we want to add, and to make it easy, now the one I want to add now, for the sake of this video, I have to go and copy it. I have to copy it. Okay. Alright. OMG. Okay. See. Alright. I already copied the sites that I want to use there. I want to connect to, like the new site I want to use. So just click on, mind you, each link has 7 space. Each link has 8 space rather. So you adding a new one, you have to add another 8 new row. So to make it easy and then to make it convenient and easy, just click on copy one after the other. You copy, you edit one after the other. So click on copy. I already click on copy now. Then I edit it. So as to make it straightforward. Paste. Then you edit the name also. Cheap data sub. So you can see. Then after you do that one, done with that one, then you click on what? Click on go. So we are done with the number 1. So move to the second part, which is the second one, which is the number 2. Click on copy as well. Then you do the same thing. the same thing, then you copy the name also, you edit the name also, then you click on go. So that's that for number 2. Then we move to the third one, which is number 3. You click on copy again. Copy. Then the name. Then go. That's the third one. Then we move to the next one, which is the what? Which is the fourth. The fourth one. So we copy. Do the same, follow the same process. Same process. Yeah, the name. Then go. That's that for number 4. Then we move to the next one, which is in number 5. Copy. Then go. So we move to the next one, which is in number 6. Number 6, we copy. Then we edit as usual. Then click on go. That's that for number 6. So we move to the next one, which is number 7. The 7th one. Copy. Then we do the needful again. Repeat the cycle. Then we yam. Then we edit the name also. Then we click on go. So that's it for number 7. Then to remain the last, we move to the last one, which is the number 8. Copy. So we repeat the same cycle. Then we edit the name also. Then we click on go. Mind you, the name we use for this particular new one we add is cheap data. So now you'll be wondering that among the list of what actually shows here, we did not have list. We cannot see what. We did not see anything relating to cheap data here. Just relax. Then you click on the numbers of rows. Just select 500. Then it's automatic load by itself. Once you have a good network connection, then you view it one after the other. Just scroll down. As you can see, that's what we have at the bottom end of the API. We have it already. We already have it. Yes. We have it here already. So that's that for that aspect. Now for us to log into our admin panel to do the normal setup, which is the site admin panel, to do the normal setup. So here is our admin panel now. Then we go to our API site, and then we click on. Okay, let's go to the under data. So let's make use of the general. So click on it. Click on the cable URL verification. Then you can see. As you can see, we have it already. Cheap data sub. We have it already. Just we already have it. As you can see. chip data sub. So now we are left to what? We are left with now. What we are actually left with is we copying our cable API key. Our API key. So for copy our API key, we need to log into the site we actually want to use. The site we want to use. So we have to log into the particular site we want to use, which is the chip data sub site. So now chip data sub site. So we have to log in to the chip data sub site so as to what? So as to get their API key. Now there is it. Almost there, then we log in. We log into our account direct, yeah. Then we go to our what? Documentation. Mind you, the account you are to use, it ought to already be in API, as in API users. Then if you are not already in API user, then you are to contact the site owner, the admin of the site, to switch your account to API users. So go to documentation to copy the API key. Now we are here. As you can see, introduction. Welcome to chip data sub. You can use our API to access chip data sub API endpoint, which can be used blah 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 blah. Then the authentication, how to generate the token. Like for you to generate, they did not have the normal API key whereby the other platform do give out. So but for here, for you to get your API key, you have to what? You have to generate it yourself through the usage of your username and then your password. Username colon password. So that's how to generate your API token. So then you can able to convert it to a token key through the use of what? Convert it to base 64. You have to convert the word to base 64. That means for us to convert the particular word, which is our username and then our password, for us to convert it to the token, we have to what? We have to make use of one particular site, which is base 64.guru. Guru. So that's the site we'll be using for the conversion. Okay, so now we go to the site. Let me open another browser, which is my Opera. Yeah, I have my Opera here. Okay. Base 64. So base 64. Let me just search base 64. Sorry. Base 64 Guru. Yeah, we have it here. Base 64 Guru, which is base 64.guru. So now we are to find under the encoder. We are to convert text. Mind you, we are converting text to base 64. We already have the text already, which is our username and username colon password. So we have to convert text to base 64. So now for us to copy, okay, then I'll go back to the place where I want to copy the username. The username. Oh my god. Okay, here's username. As you can see, I copied the username already. Then column. Mind you need to include the column. Then the password. Copy the password as well without space. Then you paste it. Then you copy both. Then you go back to base 64 site. then you paste it in the space that said that in this box provided for text. You paste it there, then you paste, then you click on what? Encode text to base 64. We are done. As you can see. Then we also have the instruction here how to convert string to base 64 online. Type or paste your text in the text field. Press encode text to base 64 button. Copy or download the result from the base 64 feed. As you can see, so simple as that. So we already have our what? We have our keys. Then just what? Just copy without leaving anything. Just copy it. We have the copy option also. Then we go back to our what? We go back to our platform. We go back to our admin panel rather. We already copy what we need. So we go back to our admin panel and what? Do the needful. Erase the current one. Then you paste the new one. So do the same thing to all. Just do this, repeat the process, repeat the cycle. So that's that on how to go about it. Then mind you, after you're done with everything, make sure you set your plan ID, network ID. Set your network ID. That's one of the main key. Make sure the network ID you set in your admin panel also relates to the one available in the site you are vending any of your services from. It is important, it is mandatory that your plan ID, your network ID need to be in line with the one available in the other sites. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. Mind you, if this is the first time of watching the video, kindly help us in hitting the subscription button to subscribe. And then if you know you have anyone that has issue with any or in setting up of any of their VTU platform or any other platform as well, do it to refer them to us, and then you do it to share the video to them. We're here to help. Always. Thank you. We look forward to seeing you again in the subscription button to subscribe, and then like button to like our video, and then do it to share.